Hello, pretty people. Welcome back to Indie Swad. We are back with another super healthy and appetizing savory for all of you. Today we are going to make the traditional Andhra cuisine Gongura Pappu. Gongura, also known as red sorrel or roselle, comes with lots of health benefits. In this video, we will see how to enjoy these benefits in a tasty way. So let's get started with the recipe. First, in an open vessel, heat about 1.5 cup of water. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Once hot, add 2 small-sized split brinjals, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized roughly chopped tomatoes, 3 slit green chilies, 3 tamarind pods, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and mix all these ingredients gently and leave them to boil. Once the mixture starts frothing, lower the flame and close the lid. After boiling for 2 to 3 minutes, you will notice that the vegetables will start turning mushy. At this point, add 1 by 4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Once again, close the lid and let it cook for a few more minutes. In another 5 to 7 minutes, the vegetables will turn completely soft and mushy. Now turn off the stove and keep it aside to cool. Next, in a separate vessel, take about 2 cups of water and boil it. Once the water is heated and starts bubbling, add a bunch of clean red sorrel leaves to it. Let these leaves slowly soak into the water. Stir it up with your ladle till all the leaves are soaked. As you see here, as the leaves get slowly boiled, they change their color. Slowly, the water starts frothing. Now at this point, close the lid and let it boil on a low flame. On the whole, let it boil for around 15 minutes. Now, separate the excess water from the gongura leaves into another vessel and crush these leaves into a rough pulp with a masher. Since we have already boiled the gongura leaves nicely, it is easy to make them into a pulp. Now for the next step, in a mixer jar, blend the previously cooled vegetable mix. Blend these vegetables into a rough paste. Do not make the paste too smooth and soft. Now add the blended paste to the boiled and crushed red sorrel leaves. Now to this also add the water previously separated from the boiled gongura leaves. Add a cup of boiled tur dal, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix these well and let it boil on a low to medium flame. Keep stirring it as you boil. If you feel that the dal is too thick, then you can add some water and boil it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Again, keep stirring as it boils. These green leaves are brimming with benefits. It can help to manage a better vitamin absorption as needed by the body. These leaves help cool the body and reduce inflammation. They also contain moderate levels of potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help strengthen the bones and are very useful in relieving symptoms of fever. They also help in healing digestive issues, anemia, and even constipation. And the best part about this miraculous herb is that it is easily available. Now that our gongura pappu is boiled, we'll start the tempering. Take 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, and saute all these ingredients. Keep the flame low as you saute them. Now to this add 1 long sliced onion and a pod of chopped garlic. Saute all these together till the onions turn golden brown. As you fry these, add 2 dried red chilies and a few curry leaves and saute. Saute like this until all the ingredients are well fried and the onions have turned golden brown. Now add 1 by 4 teaspoon of fenugreek powder, that is methi powder, and 1 by 4 teaspoon of dhania powder and mix them. Once the contents are well roasted, pour the tempering into the hot sorrel lentil soup. Cover the soup with a lid as soon as you pour the tempering. Doing so will ensure that all the flavors of the tempering are absorbed by the soup. Now for the last time, mix all these ingredients together. And here, our delicious Andhra cuisine Gongura Pappu is ready. Serve it hot with steamed rice. So guys, this was all for today. Hope you liked today's video. And if you do, subscribe to our YouTube channel Indie Swad. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.